Okay, so we have today also a little bit of a hand-to-hand practice. So we've got 1 and 2 and slow it down, and 1 and 2 and slow it down, and 1, 2, slow it down, and 1, 2, slow it down. Good. And we've got our first step, in the windmill. 1 in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Nice and gentle, not looking for speed on it quite yet. All right, and then we are also working across. So here's our 4, 3, 2, 1 cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Stop. Have it practicing.